When you are perfectly free to feel stuck or not stuck, then you're unstuck.
A lot of us want to be more creative, to have an experimental outlet of our imagination. Here are some tips to boost our creativity. Fear absolutely destroys creativity, so as soon as you take away that power, you're open to so many more possibilities. So grab some art supplies, even if they're quite cheap ones, and you can even use coffee, like in my previous video, which I'll link to in the description box. I love working on big canvases, and I find that it really helps me loosen up. So be brave and free of judgment. Creativity begins in the artist's mind. Generally, creative types are more sensitive to their surroundings. Take in the silhouetted trees against the sun. Look out for unusual cloud shapes, or soak that warm sun into your face and let that moment live in its own entirety. You can feel so different just by noticing the things around you, just by opening your eyes. Stop stalking your favourite artists on Instagram and scrolling through Pinterest, and go create. Go outside and take interesting photographs. Paint a beautiful flower that you found on your morning walk. Try all forms of art. Maybe painting isn't your thing. There are tons of creative paths to go down, like pottery, floristry, graphic design, photography. There are so many different options. Don't be a copycat. Copying someone else's painting isn't creative. Yeah, it might be that you're physically painting, but it doesn't make you an artist. Copycats take away everything creative about the process. Be unique and say what you want to say. You have a different mind, different strengths, and a different fingerprint to anybody else on this planet. So what you create will have value because it's yours. I find it really helpful to buy a little sketchbook and take it with me wherever I go, so when inspiration hits, you can jot it down or you can sketch it out. Just jot down words that even make sense to you, and logos, colours, atmospheres. Everything is all around us for inspiration, so it's handy to have a sketchbook whenever we need it. Most of all, just have fun with it. Paint exactly what you want to paint, and paint whatever makes you happy. Don't get stuck in the rut of painting just to show your teacher, or just so you can put it in your art workbook, or just so you can put it on Instagram. Paint to fulfill yourself, and so that you can express a little part of you that you didn't know was there. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe, it would mean the world to me, and thank you so much for watching. Just